Hello everyone, today we'll learn how to download Python in our Windows systems. So to start with, go to your browser and type Python for Windows. So you'll be clicking this link. This is the official page of Python.org to download. So you can able to see different packages of the Python which are being released by the Python.org. So to download the Python, just click here. This will take some time. Yeah. So this will download an .exe file. Just click here. So this page will open. Now add python dot these two options will be shown here. Use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Add python.exe to path. So make sure to click this option as well. Now customize installation. Make sure to click all this. Install Python for all users. Okay, now install. This will be installed in this location. Click. Okay, this will take some time. It will take some little more time. Let's wait. Yes, now it will show the setup was successful. Just close this path. Now come we'll test our download. So go to the command prompt. Type Python version. Yeah, it's successfully downloaded. Now we'll try to write some simple Python script in line. So write just Python here. Okay. Print hello